Okay, humbly tonight my topic is Buddha nature. Some people say that everyone is Buddha. So happy, right? Which means that everyone has Buddha nature. It's like one person asking for direction to another person, answering the question naturally without expecting anything in return. It's like a natural reaction of the human body. Buddha nature is like the view camera. At first, there was no sound and no image. Then there was everything. But the Buddha I explain is not the same as yours. A real Buddha. It's like I am going to describe who you are, because I can't express all of them in words. In the end, it's up to you to compare in the Buddha nature. What does Buddha nature do to us? Why do we need to understand Buddha nature like water? Buddha nature is the basic need and the most important of the human, animal, and plant. Buddha nature is a center. Neither more nor less, neither good nor bad, neither arising nor passing. It's as calm and clear as water. Just like people, they need peace, harmony, and healthy. Thank you.